The Prison Within. Inspired by Park Chan-wook's psychological revenge masterpiece, Oldboy, 2003. This story dives into the darkest cell of the human mind where time stops, guilt festers, and revenge becomes the only religion. The disappearance. There are prisons made of concrete and prisons made of memory. Subscribe and open the door that should have stayed locked. It begins on a night no one remembers. A man named Odesu, loud, drunk, half laughing at his own stupidity, is taken from the streets and vanishes. No witnesses, no ransom, just a door closing behind him. When he wakes, he's inside a small windowless room, a bed, a TV, and a slab for food. Nothing else. He screams until his throat breaks. He counts the tiles on the wall. He scratches the same word again and again. Why? Here's a slide by like seconds. He watches the news, his wife murdered, his child gone, his life replaced by silence and guilt. So he trains, he fights the wolves, punches the ghosts, and promises himself, if I ever get out, I'll find who did this, and I'll make them pay. 15 years. 15 years without the sky, without touch, without answers. The release. Then, one morning, he wakes up on the rooftop. No guards, no cage, only a suitcase, money, and a phone. Freedom feels wrong. The sun burns. The air feels fake. He wanders through neon streets, the city buzzing like a dream he's not supposed to be in. And then his phone rings. How was your sleep day, Sue? The voice laughs, soft, calm, familiar. The game has only begun. The spiral. He meets Samido, a young woman drawn to his loneliness. Her voice becomes his anchor, gentle, fragile, dangerous. Together they trace the trail restaurants, old acquaintances, hypnosis tapes, and the haunting feeling that someone is watching from her shadow. But as he digs deeper, reality starts to break. Memories to us, dreams spill into daylight. Every answer leads to a darker question. Who locked him up? Why was he freed? And what sin could deserve 50 years of silence? The monster within. The answer finally comes, not as justice, but as punishment. His captor appears, elegant, smiling, hallowed by his own obsession. And the truth is unbearable. The reason for Dae-soo's imprisonment wasn't money, wasn't power, it was memory. A secret from long ago, a whisper he shouldn't have spoken, a sin so personal that only he could be its victim. He realizes he wasn't chosen at random. He was chosen because of what he did, and the punishment was to make him remember. In the end, Dae-soo kneels before his enemy, not in surrender, but in horror. He begs to forget, to live again in ignorance.
to erase the truth that has poisoned him. Tears mix with snow as he whispers, "Even if I'm no longer human, please let me live without pain." A single click of a gun, a quiet smile, and the man who sought revenge realizes he's been inside the same cell all along, only this time the bars are inside his mind. The storm fades, the music stops, and Waring left wondering, did he win, or did the truth win?